Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video because I am bringing you an easy holiday DIY wreath made with all Dollar Tree products. Now I have some ribbon in 3 different colors. I have the Dollar Tree wreath ring, and I have this skate hanging sign that I got from, I think, Dollar General, and the rest of the items are from Dollar Tree. Now the white deco mesh I had, and so I decided to use that and really make this a nice holiday wreath, like into Christmas. So at first I was going to use my zip ties, but I couldn't find the white ones, and I didn't like the black zip ties because that means I would have to add so much to cover it up. And so I decided to take those zip ties off of there. So I decided to use these silver pipe cleaners for the ring. I added 2 pipe cleaners to each position in the ring, so that way I can add my deco mesh to each part in the middle of the ring, if that makes sense. Once you have your deco mesh on the outer ring part of the ring, you want to add your deco mesh to the inner part of the ring. And so I know that my video is a little cringy, but at the end of the day I couldn't film it no other way, so I'm sorry you guys. But I will be going live soon teaching you guys how to do a wreath on my Instagram, so make sure you like and follow on Instagram at Lifestylediyw. But as you see me doing here, I'm literally just puffing up that deco mesh and tying it within the pipe cleaner. Let me get my mind together. And so I decided to make a mini bow to add to the top of it. And wreaths are really kind of complicated at times. I remember when I first made my first wreath, and it was definitely not easy because I thought to myself, well, oh my God, how did they do that? But technically, once you have those pipe cleaners down, you can add anything to those pipe cleaners because you can move them around, you can untie them, you can untwist them and do, you know, what you want your wreath to do. And so I added some bows and I added some embellishments, but I really did think that she needed something else to go along with her. So I added a few more items, and yeah, guys, look how she turned out. So once you secure your bows or whatever you're going to add, you want to make sure that the middle piece, that skate sign, is secured as well. So I just add a little bit of glue at the tip of the foot. And now I was like, you know what, let me use this buffalo plaid, of course, because it's one of my favorites to use. And I made these simple little bows. And if you guys want a tutorial on that, I'll definitely make that for you guys. Make sure you head over to my Instagram because I have a lot of tutorials on that page as well. So I just added these little bows right in the meeting part of the ribbon and the deco mesh, and also tied them down with the pipe cleaners. Like I said, guys, to me, pipe cleaners are the easiest things to use when you make your wreaths. You can also, of course, use zip ties. I use those for wreaths that I really want to keep permanent and keep sturdy. But it's easy to just add your embellishments to your wreaths, you know, tidy up your wreath puffs, like I call them. And yeah, I believe this Santa ice skate wreath is so super cute. And as I kept going, I was like, you know what, it needs something else to it. And so as you see in the next following pictures, I definitely added some red berries for the holidays. I added some red and white striped ribbon as a tail. I even went to Michael's a day later just to make sure that I wasn't missing anything that I could possibly add to this wreath and make it pop. As you see here, I just have that Santa Claus bow at the top. But once I went to Michael's, I was like, you know what? I'm going to add some more details to this. So those red berries came in super handy. I even added that red and white peppermint bow, and I added a little bow in the middle. And I did wind up adding some Dollar Tree silver ornaments because I just thought that it needed something else because it was so white. But I love it still, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know if you've made any wreaths this holiday season. Love you guys. Bye.